Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sidewander's Shed. It's about 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning, and the old Dodge, she made it to my nephew's place here in Virginia, and we're having a 4-day Labor Day weekend cookout and camping and everything a little bit, just on his property. And nothing real major, not out in the boonies or anything. And again, the first real test drive with the transmission I rebuilt on the truck, just happened to be throwing I know the camper doesn't look that big, but it's solid. I mean, right here, right here, this is all 1/4-inch thick steel. So she got some weight to her. She weighs about 1,800 pounds empty. And then you add it's got its own freshwater tank. You add the water to it plus all the camping gear. She's definitely a 1-ton camper, even for being so small. And so the real first test, 2 days after I actually got the old truck running with the transmission, was to throw 2,000-pound camper on the back of it and run it down the highway for about an hour and 20 minutes at 65, 70 miles an hour, and she did fine. So, story of my life. It's kind of like all or nothing. You know what I mean? There really wasn't much easing into this and seeing if she's going to be okay. It was kind of like just jump in both feet and let's go. With that being said, yes, I was nervous the whole way, but man, that thing ran good. And for whatever reason, it actually did better on fuel than it's done in a long time. I don't know, maybe it was just the atmospheric conditions, but just want to let everyone know we made it. And yeah, I'm sorry, the old camper's getting a little bit of wear on it too, but that's all right. Now that I don't have to work on the truck, I'll be spending a little bit of time patching up and fixing up the camper here a little bit more, along with other projects. Still got plenty of other projects to do. But anyway, so far we've had a good time. Been here, got here Friday. Today is Sunday. Everything is working good and having a great time. And so anyway, just wanted to let everyone know, truck is working good. Thank you everyone for all your help and support with this transmission. Man, what a ride that was. Unbelievable. And I just can't thank everyone enough. And I appreciate all my subscribers and everyone that's followed the channel and everyone with your comments and everything and best wishes. I really do appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a good Labor Day weekend. I hope you're all safe and have fun. And, that's it, man. Just don't forget to get out there and enjoy. Don't forget to get out there and enjoy life as well. That's what it's all about, man. Just do what you got to do the best you can. Don't be afraid. Well, it's all right to be afraid, but don't let that stop you from trying something new or something that's way out of your comfort zone. Like I've said during this whole transmission series, I had to step up and take my own advice, and and if you followed it, you can see it bit me in the butt. It didn't go the way I wanted it to go or the way I expected it to go every time, but with a little bit of perseverance and just trying again, even with 3 different failures, maybe it was 4, I don't know, we got it done. And I'm happy about that, and I feel a whole lot better now that that's going. Everything is working. But if I can do it, and I am not the brightest star in the night sky, I am not that talented. I'm just too I haven't figured it out either. I'm either too stupid to quit or just too stubborn. I'm not sure which it is. Maybe a little bit of both. Anyway, y'all take care.